Good afternoon, students. Today we will do next theorem. Theorem is the angle subtended by an arc of a circle at the center is double the angle subtended by it at any point on the remaining part of the circle. That is, we have to show that if this is the circle, this is an arc PQ, this angle POQ, this angle is double the angle subtended by it on the point by the point the other part, that is remaining part on the circle. That is, we have to prove that angle POQ is double the angle PRQ. For this, I am starting the theorem. But what is given to us? It is given that an arc PQ of the circle C with center O, radius R, and a point R is given on the remaining part of the circle, as you have seen in the figure. Remaining part, this is called arc. This QP, we can say. This one arc is PQ and second is QP, or you can say PQ also, according to the direction. We have to prove that angle POQ is equals to 2 times angle PRQ. For this, we will join OR and produce it to a point M outside the circle, like this. We will join OR and produce it to M, which is outside the circle. Now let us start the proof. Students, for this theorem we have three cases. First case, when PQ is minor arc. I have already told you which is minor arc and which is major arc. Second is when PQ is a semicircle. PQ is a chord and PQ arc, this is the minor arc, this is the semicircle because the chord passing through the center is the diameter, and this is the major arc. Now for all the three cases, proof is the same. What you have to do is, in triangle POR, I have named the angles like this is angle 1, angle 2, angle 3, angle 4, angle 5, angle 6. Now firstly, in triangle POR, students, we know that exterior angle is equals to sum of opposite interior angles. You have studied in earlier classes. You have studied in previous classes that exterior angle is equals to sum of opposite interior angles. So in this triangle, angle 5 is exterior angle. So angle 5 is equals to angle 1 plus angle 2. Now angle 1 is equals to angle 2 because OP and OR, they are the radius of the circle, and if two sides are equal, then the opposite angles are also equal. Opposite angles of equal sides are equal. So we can write here angle 1 is equals to angle 2 because OP is equals to OR is equals to R, that is radius of the circle. So I have replaced angle 1 by angle 2. So angle 5 is equals to 2 times angle 2. I have marked equation 1 here. Similarly, in triangle QOR, angle 6 is exterior angle. Again, angle 6 is exterior angle, and exterior angle is equals to sum of opposite interior angles, that is angle 3 plus angle 4. So I have written angle 6 is equals to angle 3 plus angle 4. Again angle 3 is equals to angle 4, because OQ is equals to OR is equals to radius. Then, so I have replaced 3 as 4. So angle 6 is equals to angle 4 plus angle 4, that is 2 times angle 4. I have marked it here, second equation. Adding both of these equations, so angle 5 plus angle 6 is equals to 2 times angle 2 plus 2 times angle 4. Taking 2 common from this, we get angle 2 plus angle 4. Now looking at the figure carefully, angle 5 plus angle 6 is what? And angle POQ. And angle 2 plus angle 4 is what? Angle PRQ. So replacing, we get angle POQ is equals to 2 times angle PRQ. That's all for today. If you have any problem, then you can ask me. Otherwise, write it in your fair notebook. Thank you.